What is the use of slicing in Python? Slicing in Python is a technique that allows you to extract a portion of a string, list, or tuple. It is achieved by specifying a start and end index separated by a colon within square bracket. The syntax of slicing is as follows: object start index colon end index colon step. Here, the start index is the index of first element you want to include in the slice. End index is index of first element that should be excluded from the slice. And the step is the number of elements to skip between each included element. The use of slicing in Python is versatile and it can be applied to various data structures like list, tuples, and string. Here are some of application of slicing in Python: extracting a subset of element from a list or a tuple. Here we created my list containing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Second, we created my tuple using having elements 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Extracting first three element of the list, we are creating subset underscore list is equal to, it is created from my list, opening and closing square bracket, start index is null, end index is 3, so it will include element at index 0, 1, 2. When we print subset list on the user screen, we get element at index 0, 1, 2, which is 1 to 3. Extract element from position 2 to 4 from the tuple. If you are talking about position 2 to 4, you are talking about index 1 to 3. So we are creating subset underscore tuple, which is being created from my underscore tuple, opening and closing square bracket. We are starting from index 1 colon, we are running till index 3, therefore end index is 4. Then we are printing subset tuple on the user screen. So element at index 1 is 7, element at index 2 is 8, element at index 3 is 9, excluding 4. So output is 7, 8, 9. Second application is removing unwanted characters from the start or end of the string. So you have a my string which is containing a string spaces hello world not spaces. Removing white spaces from the string at the end of the string, we are creating clean underscore string. On my string, we are calling the strip function. It will remove the starting and ending white spaces from the original string and store it in clean string. We print clean string on the user screen. You get the output which is not having any white spaces in the starting and the ending. Third application is reversing a string or a list. So you have a my list containing element 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. My string, which is a string hello world not. You have created a list and string. Reversing the list, we will store the result in a reverse list variable. On my list, we are giving opening and closing square bracket colon colon -1. Step size -1 it will take the element in reverse one by one. When you print a reverse list on the user screen, your output will be 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Similarly, reversing the string, we are storing reverse string in reverse underscore string variable. We are reversing my underscore string, opening and closing square bracket, colon colon followed by step size of -1. This will take the string one by one in the reverse order and store it in reverse underscore string variable, and we print reverse underscore string variable on the user screen. Fourth application of slicing in Python is extracting every nth element from a sequence. So my list is a list containing elements 1 to 10. We are extracting every second element. So we are creating a new subset underscore list variable which is created from my underscore list. in opening and closing square bracket colon colon followed by step size of 2. So every second element will be included in subset underscore list variable. So 1 will be included, 3 will be included, 5 will be included, 7 will be included, 9 will be included. As the list is exhausted, this will be our final result. So when you print subset underscore list on the user screen, you get 13579 printed. Splitting a string into substring. So you have a myString variable which is storing a string. To split the string into words, we can call on myString split function. This will split the string into words and store it in word list variable as separate string. When we print word list variable on the user screen, you can see each word printed as a separate string. Overall, slicing in Python is a powerful tool for manipulation and extracting portion of data structure, making it crucial skill for Python programmers to master. That's it for this video. Thank you. Thanks for watching.